Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and I have another video for you. This time it's gonna be as in my last 20, 30, 40 videos. I will have another unboxing, another mystery box. And here is the box. This one is from Makeup Greek. And I supposed to have two bags in this one. I hope I have two because actually I ordered two of them because I wanna have another tiny giveaway. One of the bags goes to the giveaway, so let's go ahead and see if I have to. Hopefully I have to. And also hopefully the mystery bag is not gonna be like was the Ultra one if you watch that video. So hoping that it's something good in here, and hoping that they send me through, because I had many problems lately with their boxes. And here is the box inside. And I think we have two boxes which are more than tiny, I would say. I didn't expect them to be so little. So the box looks like this with the Makeup Greek logo here. Hopefully it's something good in this one, because one of these will go to one of you. And here is the second box. And I'm gonna leave this one unopened. And let's see what's in this box. I will leave all the information in the description box regarding this, because I don't know when I'm gonna post the video. I will leave on the screen probably, and also in the description box the information regarding this very small giveaway. And probably this one is gonna be internationally also. But anyway, all the information down below. Let's open mine and see what we have here. I will leave the other one with the Sephora Play box that it's for a giveaway also. So far the box is really cute. It's this black with rosy gold color. And we have the items inside of this tiny box. And black paper also. The box inside looks like this. And let's see what's in here. So far I see 6 items in this box. The box it's really cute, I would say, and very protective for the products. First thing that I see here is a snow stopper, and this one is Cream Stain from Makeup Greek. All the products are from them. And let's see what was this. I believe it's a lip product. And here is the color of this one. And actually I have to, this one is in a grapevine cream stain. I want to tell you the name of this box because it was something with purple, and that's why I got the box. So this one was called, if I have a name here, Purple Patient Mystery Box. So here is the first item in here, this lip stain. And here is the packaging of this one. Let's see the next thing in here. It's iconic lipstick, and probably is the same shade in Savvy, something like that. And yes, it's another purple color. This one looks like this, and I'll show you the shade of this. Here is the shade of this one. Not quite my color as a lipstick, but anyway, here is the shade of this. And we have 4 more items in here. Those two seems to be full-size products, and we have couple more in here, and all of them are eyeshadows. And the first one is called Hype, and it's this shade right here. Let me swatch this for you. and mine is completely broken. I was trying to open this, but everything fell out. Hopefully the other box is not like this. Yeah, hopefully. I hope the other box is okay. Just be careful, whatever who's gonna win that. Just be careful when you open this, because the shade is really nice. Is this one right here. It's a metallic shade, which is very pretty, but unfortunately mine is the way it is. It seems like I'm very lucky lately getting broken products, and that's all I have left in this one. But so far it's a beautiful shade. Should I email them? I don't know. Anyway, this is the first one, or supposed to be the first one. Let me show you the next one, and I hope I have eyeshadow powder everywhere. The next one is Black Light, which is this one, another purple shade. I'm not gonna open, I'm just afraid to open that. Then we have Vintage, which is this one, and we have Taboo, which is this shade right here. So here is everything in this mystery bag. It seems like all the mystery bags that I got lately were kind of with problems, and this one is not an exception for that. I do like the shades. I like all the purple shades, but I really hope that the other one that goes to one of you will be fine. Just be careful when you open this. I don't know if it's worth it for me to email them and let them know about that, because I have to take pictures and post them and all those kind of stuff. But anyway, here was the makeup Greek mystery box. As I said, the box is cute. All the shades are purple. If you like those products, I will, as I said, I will have the second box, this one, which is not open, and I'm not gonna open it. I will send that to one of you. I will leave the link down below if you would like to enter for this. So that's kind of all for the makeup Greek mystery box. Probably this is another one that will make me to not buy mystery boxes anymore, but we'll see. I will see you guys with another video. I'm planning to have also in my in a future samples of the week video another giveaway with a bag filled with samples. So we'll see when that one will be posted. I don't know yet when, but probably next month for sure. So that's kind of all for this one. As I said, I will leave the link down below if you wanna win this tiny box. I will send it to you. I will have also this one open internationally. I don't know how are the products inside. So far 3 of them seems to be okay. Just one of them was in my opinion the best one in here. But as I said, I hope the other ones are okay. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you very soon. You have a great day. Bye bye.